Want to turn more website visitors into qualified leads automatically? Today, we'll show you how to train your AI chatbot in minutes using NoForm AI. No coding, no tech headaches, just results. Whether you're in real estate, SaaS, e-commerce, or services, you'll learn how to turn your chatbot into your best performing sales teammate. Let's get started. NoForm AI is your 24/7 sales assistant. It chats with visitors, captures leads, qualifies them instantly, and helps boost your conversion rates, even while you sleep. Out of the box, NoForm AI is powerful. But to truly customize your assistant to your business goals, audience, and tone, training is key. A well-trained chatbot engages more users, qualifies more leads, and aligns perfectly with your brand voice. Businesses using AI-powered bots have seen up to 67% more sales and a 37% increase in leads just by letting AI handle the first touchpoint with customers. Imagine what that could do for your business. Now let's dive in. With NoForm AI, you don't need to write a single line of code. Just paste your website URL into the platform, and NoForm AI will scan your site, building a knowledge base for your chatbot in minutes. It's that simple. To make your chatbot even more smarter, head to the Customization tab in the NoForm AI dashboard. From there, go to AI Instructions part. This is where you set the foundation for how your assistant thinks and responds. Here's how to write great instructions for your AI assistant. Define what your assistant does. For example, you're a B2B sales assistant helping qualify leads and answer questions. Or you're a customer support bot that answers product questions. You help qualify leads and guide them to book a demo. Provide business context. Tell the AI what you sell, who your customers are, and what visitors usually ask. Define the goal. Whether it's booking calls, collecting emails, or explaining services, the AI should guide toward it. Match your tone. Casual, professional, helpful, or friendly. Your AI should sound like your brand. Anticipate scenarios. Include examples such as what to do if a visitor asks about pricing or refuses to share their contact information. Set boundaries. Ensure your AI doesn't overpromise or take actions that require human intervention. Next, head to Training Settings. Here, you can upload web pages or documents you want your assistant to learn from. It could be product frequently asked questions, service pages, or brochures. Just click Add Web Page or Add Document in the Training Settings tab. Your assistant learns from these sources and uses them to provide more accurate and detailed answers to your site visitors. Use behavior settings to set your first message and conversation starters that guide visitors to take action, like get a quote or book a call. Write a few sample questions your visitors usually ask, like how much does it cost? What services do you offer? Or can I book a demo? Here, you can also create custom messages and conversation starters for specific URLs. Make unique chat experiences for your homepage, pricing page, or even your blog. For example, on your pricing page, your assistant can say, "Got questions about pricing? I'm here to help." Once you're done, click Publish Changes. Your chatbot is now trained, smarter, and ready to work 24/7 for your business. With NoForm AI, your website isn't just a brochure. It becomes your best sales rep. Build a chatbot that truly feels like part of your brand, drives more leads, and delights your visitors 24/7. So start training today and let your chatbot do the heavy lifting, capturing leads, answering FAQs, and growing your business around the clock. Try NoForm AI today, the smarter, faster way to grow your business.